Gentlemen, I'm going to share a dark secret with you. You probably have on your toothbrush, and it's your own fault too. And that's not all. I bet you have a ton of other mistakes you're making when it comes to brushing your teeth. Thomas with Real Men Real Style here. Today, I'm going to show you all the toothbrushing mistakes you need to avoid. Mistake number 1, using the same toothbrush for too long. Your toothbrush is good for 200 uses, which is roughly 3 months worth of brushing. A worn out toothbrush isn't near as effective at cleaning your teeth, so make it a habit to replace your toothbrush at least every 3 months. Sooner if the bristles are starting to get worn out. Pro tip, instead of throwing away your old toothbrush, use it to clean off scuff marks and get into those hard to reach spots on your shoes. Mistake number 2, getting on your toothbrush. Whenever you flush the toilet after pooping, you are launching tons of tiny poop particles into the air. They will land on everything, including your toothbrush sitting on the counter. Store your toothbrush away from the toilet, preferably in a cabinet or a separate room. Failing that, make sure to put the toilet seat down when flushing. This will drastically cut down on the amount of flying particles. Mistake number 3, using a toothpaste with too much fluoride. Too much fluoride can cause dental fluorosis, which leaves your teeth marked and discolored. Not a good look, gentlemen. Fluoride is a key part of protecting your teeth, but it's important not to overdo it. You need to find a toothpaste that uses between 1350 and 1500 parts per million fluoride. Mistake number 4, adding too much toothpaste. As cool as it looks in the commercials to put a nice big glob on your toothbrush, you only need to use a pea-size amount. Using more than this doesn't make your teeth any cleaner, it just wastes toothpaste. Mistake number 5, not brushing long enough. To clean all the surfaces of your teeth will take about 2 minutes if you're doing the job right. It can be easy to underestimate how long this is, so set a timer on your phone and go to work. And if you're pressed for time in the morning, multitask by taking your toothbrush in the shower with you. Mistake number 6, not brushing the right amount. Guys, I get it, you're busy, but brushing once a day isn't enough. Brushing 3 times a day is borderline overkill. Brushing twice a day does the perfect job of keeping your teeth clean while not causing irritation. Mistake number 7, brushing too hard. You aren't going to make your teeth any whiter by brushing them harder. If anything, you'll cause irritation or damage to your gums. Most people push about twice as hard as they need to. If you're using a manual toothbrush, try lightening up the pressure a bit. If you're using an electric toothbrush, light pressure is all you need. Pushing harder actually makes it less effective. Mistake number 8, rinsing. The fluoride in the toothpaste needs time to sit on your teeth to do its work. Rinsing with water right after you brush rinses away all that good fluoride. Even though it's better than water, rinsing with a mouthwash isn't the best option either. It's better to spit in the sink and let the remaining toothpaste sit on your teeth for a while. If you want to use a mouthwash, save it for an hour or 2 after you brush. Mistake number 9, not flossing. Gents, if you're only brushing and not flossing, then you're only fighting half the battle. Whether before you brush or after you brush, it doesn't matter. You need to floss your teeth once a day to keep plaque from building up between your teeth. Mistake number 10, not scraping your tongue. Sounds hokey, right? Like one of those TV infomercial scams. But that's actually not the case. Tongue scraping has been around for a long time. It was actually practiced in ancient India. Scraping your tongue has huge benefits for your mouth, including reduced bad breath and a heightened sense of taste. In a pinch, you can use your toothbrush to take care of it, but a specialized tongue scraper is going to do the job even better. So gentlemen, which of these mistakes have you been making? Let me know in the comments below. But guys, the mistakes don't end here. Check out this video where I'm going to show you all the mistakes you need to avoid when it comes to cutting your nails.